Yo, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. It's Jaro. Um, Today it's gonna be a very special one as well because I just got a gift from a very good friend of mine. And although this is something that I already own and I already have, but this is something that is quite thoughtful. So thank you so much for this present. Because my original keyboard, when you type, you don't get the wrist pad, the wrist pad. And sometimes if I stay on the computer for too long, typing too long, or playing games for too long, my wrist actually hurts, just because I actually injured it many years ago. So it's been, sometimes it hurts. And so the new gift that I got was a Razer keyboard. You see the wrist pad there? So this is one of the most important factor that this person thought about when they bought a gift for me. So thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. And today I'm gonna open this. This is actually the Razer, the Black Widow, with the wrist pad and RGB, all that jazz, So thank you. So I'm gonna open this today. And before I opened it, I do actually have something to announce. Sometimes in the future, it's I don't think it's too big of an issue, but I just want to announce it maybe in the next video or something. And and I really hope you guys having a great time, safe as well because of COVID. I heard some of you guys who are from India are very serious about coronavirus there. So make sure you stay safe, man. Wear a mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands. And don't get too close with strangers. And try to stay hygiene as much as you can. But without further ado, I'm going to open this now. This is sealed. I don't know, I feel nervous. I don't usually do like product opening videos. And because of my camera angle, I don't have a desk in front of me actually. Oh, I'm using the desk to put the camera on. I kind of feel bad always opening shit on the floor. So this is what I'm going to do this time. Man, is this gonna work? Yeah, it's gonna work. Oh shit, man, it's raining outside. Can you guys hear it? Speaking of Razer and keyboard, I used to have a Razer keyboard back in like 2015, 2016, and it was the green switch. It was fucking noisy, man. It was like and even my ex-flatmates and the people who used to live with me said, bro, your keyboard is so noisy. Sometimes when I play games at night, they can hear me from next door. So I was just like, okay. And so I was always intimidated with green switch. And that's why the gift was a yellow switch. So I'm really happy about it. Yellow switch, less noise. So when I stream as well, when I'm recording gameplays, you guys probably can't hear the switch. That's really important for me and for you guys as well. And I'm gonna open this. Jeez, John, stop fucking talking and just open it, man. Okay, give me one sec. Okay, there we go. Leave comments down below if you guys like keyboards. Like, do you guys have any special keyboards preferences that you like brands, mechanical, what kind of switch, everything, all those kind of jazz. So let me know down in the comments below, and we'll discuss some more about keyboards. I'm not a professional keyboard guy, but I know a thing or two. What does it look? Oh, I can't even see. Oh, look at that. It's got the ceiling on top, the plastic on top. Looking very, very good. Open it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Right, so I think I'll take this out, throw it away. Here's the cable. To be honest, I don't prefer wireless keyboard because pressing keys for like gamers is so important. It's like you don't want like any lags, any sort of lags, especially when you're playing like FPS games. Especially FPS games, like your movement, the click, the decisions that you make in the game. It's so important. It's not even funny. So I've always preferred cable keyboards and mouse as well. But I actually got really used to with this Logitech G900, this lightning speed mouse. I had it for like a few years now. This thing has like 0.0001 second lag. It's fucking crazy. I love this mouse. And if you guys want a very good mouse, like seriously, get this. I think they have an upgraded version. The updated version is called G903 or 2, something like that. I don't know, man, but I had this for a few years now. Never had issues. Battery is great. Charge it without any problem. So speaking of this is really, really good. Alright, let me take my new keyboard out. New keyboard, bro. So how am I gonna do this? Oh, dude, this is pretty light actually. This is actually pretty light. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This is light. Okay. The feeling of the keys is probably the most important thing. Alright, it feels really different. Not so much different. This is not so noisy now, which is really important. The green switch before a few years ago, it was so noisy, and this is really, really good. This feels great. It's got like, I think this is the RGB button. This is the volume button. And it's all like RGBs and stuff. The most important thing is actually the wrist pad. Let's have a look. Oh, the wrist pad is not like soft material. This is actually like plastic. I thought it was gonna be like a really nice and soft, like not like super soft, but like something that is quite soft, semi-soft, for me to put my wrist in. But it's not. It's actually like a really hard plastic. It's better than nothing, right? So I'll take it. So what I'll do, I'll plug this guy up and play around with things, see what the RGB looks like, and I'll come back with you guys with some sick editing or something if I have time. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. And also, speaking of keyboard, so this is the Logitech TKL Tournament keyboard. It's a smaller keyboard because it doesn't have the it doesn't have the numpad here. I actually prefer smaller keyboards just because I don't use numpads personally. It doesn't really affect my workflow, the style of games that I play. It's so I like having everything smaller, as compact as possible. and it's, yeah. So this is the Logitech that I use at the moment. It's a beautiful keyboard, I love it. I think they call it the brown switch. I think this is the brown switch edition. So it's not the blue switch. I think Logitech has their own blue switch, which is more noisy and tactical, or tactical, something like that. But this one is the quiet version, so I really like it. Yeah, but Razer man, I'm going back to you, and Logitech. This keyboard served me really well for the last, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years. I think at least 5 years now. That's a really good keyboard. I really liked it, and never gave me one single problem. That's great. But it's time to retire, bro. Right. So here you go, guys. The keyboard is all set up, and it's looking pretty amazing, man. Not gonna lie. The lights and stuff, and the switch actually feels. Oops. Maybe not do that. Maybe. You see, the sound is actually pretty good, and the wrist pad as well is like really comfy. And I just played around with the Razer app as well, and I'll show you guys. It's actually pretty advanced, dude. Like, fuck, not gonna lie. Oh wait, the fuck. Fiddle. Maybe 100. Too much. Sorry. 50. So it's actually pretty handy because you can. It's like Photoshop. You can put like different layers, like layers on top of layers, and you can like customize which key you want to light up and with which effect. I was actually pretty surprised and amazed by how far like Razer app has gone through, because when I've used it back in like 4 to 5 years ago, it didn't have this. I think the layer is actually pretty smart. It's just like Photoshop. So yeah, well done with that apps department, man. And the keyboard looks amazing. That's my Stream Deck, and I'll probably use this time to show you guys the actual setup as well. It's not like a super amazing setup or anything. So this is actually my room and my gaming room. So I've got 2 monitors. The side ones, the tall one is for like reading chat when I stream, and all the side apps like Spotify, Discord and everything. And this is my main gaming monitor. And I'll probably need to get a headphone stand or something of some sort. These are my SteelSeries RTX 7. They are the wireless headphones. They're really good. I'm so satisfied with them. It's not even funny. And my mic just up here, which is the blue. It's the Yeti with the blue arms as well. And this is the shock. I have the shock mount. So when I stream, I pull this down. Sorry, give me 1 second. Oh, I have it like really sturdy. So my mic is like that when I stream, and when I don't need it, I just flick it back up. You know, it's pretty handy. And that's my gaming rig at the back behind the monitor. I used to have it out here a little bit more, but because of the lights, even when I turn my computer off sometimes, when I sleep, the Asus logo at the back, it still blinks. Stupid motherboards, man. I think you should have the options of whether you want the lights to turned on or not, even though you turned off your computer. So yeah. So man, yeah, this is it. That's pretty sick. Thank you so much for the new keyboard. Really appreciate it. And this is actually my first time showing you guys my gaming room. Like how I play games, how I stream and stuff. That's my TV right there, but I don't want to show it too much. Maybe I'll do like a proper room tour one day. And that's my webcam as well. I have it up there. I have some blue text on top just to cover the camera. Don't want to get hacked or anything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these kind of vlogs. and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, man. I miss you guys. I'm about to go on stream, so yeah, I'll see you guys on stream. Peace. Bye bye.